Good morning guys. Nandito ako ngayon sa event ko sa horse. May mga horse dito, tingnan nyo guys. Punta tayo dito muna. Ang daming tao ngayon. Ang daming tao. Tingnan natin dito. Yan ang horse. Mainit ngayon. Siguro maraming bibili ngayon. Mainit ngayon eh. Maraming bibili ngayon. Mainit. Baka maging sana cross finger maging malaking kita. Yan guys, horse. Lagi kami sa horse eh. Dito nakarang taon nandito din kami. Yan ang horse. Pakita ko ayoko i-post ito sa kay Bossing doon sa kabila. Ipopost ko dito sa YouTube. Kasi ayaw niya ng mga ganito. Nagba-violation ako. Kaya tingnan nyo guys. Kita nyo yun guys. Ang gaganda ng mga kabayo. Competition ito guys eh.
Okay, and for class 60 on the flat, in first place, number 387.
Yeah.
Kate Hetfield. One in a million. You may come out of the arena. In first class over fences, number 58. In first place, number 387. Kate Hetfield. One in a million.
Ang ganda rito guys. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng nila. Yeah, ang ganda.
Class number 59 in first place. Number 387. Kate Hetfield. One in a million.
Nagko-competition sila kung sino manalo sa yung parang pataasan ng jump ng mga kabayo. Yan nakita niyo dyan.
Well done everybody, you did great.
Ang ganda ng ganda. Ganda, black brown yata ito. Cute.
I'm sorry, am I in the way of your picture?
No, I love that color. It's cute. It's a boy. It's a.
Yeah, he's a gelding.
It's cute. I video it.
Don't call back.
Yeah.
Dang it, Weston.
What happened, hon?
No, we have two horses, so when he's calling,
We have a food truck there.
the other horse is probably calling back to him. And
You gonna buy food?
oh, we might, yeah.
We have a food truck.
We probably will. We didn't bring any, so I'm sure we will.
We have a good food. We have hamburger.
Were you out here yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I talked